when it's dark outside 24 hours, it's hard, believe me.
Basically being in the middle of nowhere, with no water to begin with, and with no sewer system and everything. So I think it's what makes us a bit unique.
Like now, you can see outside, it's amazing because it's bright all day, 24/7 for 5 months.
Время 1:30 ночи, но кто бы сказал. Вы давно здесь?
Весь сезон, все лето, с мая месяца.
Не скучно?
Супер вообще, скучно не бывает.
It's not possible not to like the place because if you look through the window now and you see the fog which is just like on top of the mountain, this is like unbelievable. And then other way around, for 3 months you don't see even a pixel of daylight, which is really tough period.
This is actually a Bulgarian recipe because our head chef is from Bulgaria, and it's a pan-fried feta cheese bread. In the middle there you have some butter that we whipped up with feta cheese and topped with a Bulgarian spice mix. We don't have any water or sewer system up here, so we actually have to drive our own water up from town, and we keep it in tanks in our storage unit outside. And it's also a private road, so we have to manage it ourselves. And for instance, now when it's raining or in the spring when there's a lot of snow melting, we have to fill up the road. We also had to make sure that it was protected from avalanches. So it's a lot of hard work to have the restaurant up here.
It's pretty challenging.
It is very challenging, but it's also what makes it fun.
Иногда можно увидеть пасущихся оленей прямо за окном. Чудесное место.
So here's your first course for the evening. It's a white bean soup served with some smoked reindeer heart. Then you have Parmesan cheese, fresh coriander, red onions and bell peppers.
Работы всегда много, работа интересная, место уникальное, удивительное.
The history behind this building is that it used to be a storage for the mine that was located up here. So this part we had equipment, and the entrance was a stable for the mining horses. All the equipment we have inside here is authentic from the mines. The table is the original floor from 1946. And then we have our wine shelves over here that used to be dynamite boxes from the mine. So the name Gruvelageret, it actually means the mine storage. So that's why we choose to name it that.
The main idea is we're basically serving things which are Arctic products, everything which is from the Arctic Circle, but we turn it into different type of cuisine. For example, we have a burrito, which is with Arctic berries instead of mango. This is the Arctic berries. Trying to find some nice ones. And reindeer and Swedish cheese, really interesting.
Это Arctic tacos с оленьим филе, с сыром, карамелизированным луком и специальным соусом из морожки с остро-остро-остро сладким. Приятного аппетита.
The planning of the orders, this is the most challenging. There is boat basically every 2 weeks. When we make the order, we make it for 2 months ahead. Like we try to plan ahead because each pallet with products costs a lot. So to lower the expenses, we order bigger amount. Like we try always to order things which are with longer life. So like the root vegetables and things like this, but fresh vegetables we buy from the local store.
So before main course we have a small palate cleanser, and this is a cloudberry sorbet with some lingonberries and lemon zest. 8 years ago the current owner bought this place, and he had a vision to make this gathering place for the locals. And he also used to work for the mines. He used to be a coal miner. So the idea to have it inspired by the mining history was pretty easy to figure out for him.
Безумно рад, безумно доволен, что сюда попал. Отличный коллектив, отличный шеф. полон идей, полон интересных мыслей, стремление к развитию. Для опыта просто супер, лучше не придумаешь.
For main course, we have some pan-fried halibut that we get fresh from Tromsø. Underneath that, you have a potato cake, which we flavored with some dill. To your side, you have a cauliflower foam, and we top this off with a homemade herb oil and some fresh beetroots. Enjoy!
We have homemade profiteroles with strawberry cream inside, creme sabayon and champagne, some fresh strawberries, caramelized walnuts, and roasted skim milk.
To be able to provide this type of food and menu when we have so little to work with to begin with. So it's really challenging but fun.